We're here at Brunswick Nature Park, just outside of Wilmington, North Carolina today. There's some cool features here. You got bridges, you got jumps, you got rock gardens, some good berms I've heard, so should be a pretty fun day. Finally a cooler day, like 50 degrees. Perfect weather for some riding. Now it's on a Gator. Wow, it's already a lot more narrower. Going on Copperhead. Ooh. That was fun. Here we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so cool. Oh man, those drops freak me out. I don't really know how to do those fast. Oh, we are not doing these. Oh, not today. Jesus. My left hand gets so beat up hitting trees. Whoa, I'm not doing that. That looks so hard. Taco Hill. Whoa. Man, it's such a good day for a ride. Back on the Gator Trail. Oh, I couldn't stop. I think I was supposed to make a right down here or something. Flytrap. This is what I was looking for. Nice. Finally get some speed here. Whoa. That's nice. El Chupacabra. See, online it says this is it, but the map here was pretty faded out, but it looked like there was some more trails, so I'm gonna go take a look. Ooh. Man, that was a good day to ride.